All right, what you got?
Pay attention now. Zoltar has a word of wisdom for you this day. He who laughs last thinks slowest. Stay alert, my friend, and laugh heartily and quickly. For a small fee, Zoltar will tell you more of his secrets, and wisdom is priceless.
Oh, wow. I got a ticket. I got a fortune. Now, let's just hope tomorrow morning I don't switch spots with my daughter, because that would be weird.
I made a wish on a machine. It was called a Zoltar machine.
Oh, stop it.
It was called a Zoltar machine. It had this bobbing head and looked just...
In this video, we're gonna talk about Uranus Fudge Factory. We're currently in a town called Anderson, Indiana, which is halfway in between Fort Wayne and Indianapolis. We were traveling and my teenager begged me to stop. Pretty sure a lot of people don't know about this company or this store. I also had no idea what it was until maybe a couple months back. We were hanging out at a winery. One of my coworkers said that their daughter worked at Uranus Fudge Factory. I didn't think I heard them correctly, and I said, say again. And they just repeated it like it was nothing. So I said, let me say what I think I heard. I think you said that your daughter works at Uranus Fudge Factory. And they said yes, with a little coy smile. It is a place that's been here. This is actually the second location. The first one is actually in Missouri. They opened this one up in 2022 or 2021, so it's a fairly new company. Behind me, as you can see, they're continuing with the play on words. They've got things like, we'll grab your nuts, get your fudge packed inside. So here on the outside of the factory, you have like a little play area. They have mini golf. Obviously it's closed right now because we're in the winter months, but they also have a Zoltar machine. So for you millennials that remember Big with Tom Hanks, I gotta hop on this thing.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Let's see what kind of wisdom Zoltar gives us. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Knowe. Me and my wife, Francesca, we help people move to, from, and around Fort Wayne. Now, this video is not indicative of the types of videos that we normally do, but we want to bring more attention and highlight Northeast Indiana. Uranus Fudge Factory just so happened to be in Northeast Indiana. But if you're thinking of moving to this area, we encourage you to schedule a discovery day. Many of our clients come to visit Fort Wayne before they make the final decision to move. And when they come for those 3 or 4 days, that's when we do our discovery day. If that's something you're interested in, please feel free to reach out. We left our contact information below. So we're here at the Fudge Station where one of the handy representatives asked them which fudge is the most popular. So we got the peanut butter, maple walnut, I believe, and then pralines and cream, which is my favorite ice cream as well. So decided to get some of that. Oh, honey, can I get the coffee white truffle? Can I get it? I don't know. Yeah, like 4 or so. White chocolate, lemon truffle, some milk chocolate hazelnut. Yeah, leave it. So they've got these funny little t-shirts over here that are located by the bathroom, so appropriately placed. I must warn you that there's a lot of music that's playing. I think it's custom music. It's nothing but Uranus music. If you're not into Uranus, or correction, if you're not into fudge, they've got a nice assortment of popcorn, so that may be something you want to check out. Oh, Lord. Can I get the milk? Can I get a handful of these milk chocolate turtles?
Yeah.
You have some more still.
Did you guys enjoy getting your fudge pack today?
So part of the appeal here at Uranus Fudge Factory is actually the name. They've got a whole section here of just t-shirts that play on the name. You got a big sign behind us that says size matters in Uranus. You've got the Uranus Fudge Packing Union. So it's more of the same. You got some I-69 hoodies. We might want to grab one of those. This is basically a candy store, but let's find out what is the most popular item here in the store. Also, don't want to leave out this section. They've got an assortment of ridiculous toffee. Now, this is actually my favorite thing probably in the world. Not a super huge fudge fan because it's super rich. But I mean, they've got peanut butter and jelly, peanut butter by itself, jelly by itself, sassy, shaved ice, spumoni. See, I'm afraid to buy some of this stuff because I will eat myself sick, no doubt about it. They've got some other candy on this side as well. It's just a little candy store. That's what I'm starting. Ooh, mango. Look at that. Jeez, Louis. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this stuff. Let me pack up a little bag of this for the road. Of all the things in this store, I think this is my favorite because when I was growing up, I like when I go to people's houses and they have that little candy dish on the coffee table, you know? And you can get toffee here that you can't find anywhere else. So you always have a cool icebreaker. If somebody says, oh, wow, look at all this toffee. Where'd you get it from? And then you say, I got it from Uranus. And then funny banter, right? Really quickly, I don't want to plug the store, but I am here and they're letting me do this for free. Stop by uranusstore.com. You can find out more information about this store and other stores. Behind me is where they make the fudge. I think they do this once a day, at least. A little history about Uranus. It started in 2015 in the state of Missouri. As of this moment, I believe there's 3 of these stores throughout the US. So it's not super big, but it's a very new company. So that's something. If you find yourself in this area driving up or south on I-69, this is one of those roadside attractions that I think is kind of cool. All of us have driven all across the US and sometimes we see some signs from the road and we're like, oh, maybe we should stop there, like the biggest ball of yarn or I don't know, the biggest boot in the Midwest or something like that. This is one of those types of attractions. So if you want to get a little kick, a little laugh, some souvenirs, by the way, they've got hard hats and games. Everything is themed from the name of the store. I really recommend stopping in so that you have proof that you've been to the Midwest. So I would say check out some of our other videos, but I don't think I'm going to come across a store like this again, but you can check out some of our other videos and I hope you enjoyed it.